Mike Mbuvi Sonko ameahidi kuendelea kuchapisha kanda za video zinazowakashifu majaji, wanasheria na maafisa wengine wa serikali anaodai wanahusika pakubwa na visa vya ufisadi. Sonko anasema ufichuzi wake ni mchango wake katika kumsaidia jaji mkuu, tume ya kupambana na ufisadi EACC na afisi ya kiongozi wa mashtaka DPP kupambana na ufisadi. Alizungumza na mwandishi Sofia Wanuna na hii ni sehemu tu ya mahojiano hayo.
The judge said those clips were taken by Jimmy. Yeah. So he knew very well he was being recorded.
He said he knew after the fact because he said he asked where your phone was and he said it was in the car. Then later, from the way the clips looked is when he said...
He's lying. You know,
so who was recording?
We had a land transaction with the judge even before he took over my impeachment case.
And I don't want us to go to the land transaction.
But you see, I have to defend myself. I'll not go into the details. I'll not mention names. But I just want Kenyans to just know what has been transpiring. The outcome of my judgment was influenced by a certain cartel of people who didn't want me back to the office. And that is not how judges operate. Yeah? Judges ni watu wanaheshimika. Nataka watu wangu pia wasikie mashinani. Wanaheshimika. You don't discuss the merits of a case with third parties.
But regarding, and as far as this interview is concerned, so this is for you not a vengeance plot against the said judge?
No.
This for you is
actually the one...
What is inspiring all of this?
Okay, actually it's
putting
the one
these clips
who
on
plotted
social media
against me. It is true we had a meeting after the judgment, but also we used to meet before the judgment. We were dealing in some other land matters where money exchanged hands. Yeah, he had presided over a land matter in Malindi in 2016. 2017, I bought these properties without knowing that the judge had an interest in the properties.
Allegedly, again, claim
so
you're making.
okay.
Yeah, so let's...
It will be difficult for me to clear my name at this juncture, but no problem.
Yeah.
I'll do it in the court of public opinion.
The
way I do it, yes. I'll just do it. Because I've not filed any case in the JSC, even though we respect the Chief Justice, we respect the judiciary and the JSC. But the moment I file my case, I'll not have a chance of explaining the details of any case that is before the JSC or any court that is involving myself.
Kwingineko kwenye siasa